Welcome back to Expert Crypto. We are going to do another stream today. We're going to be doing a stream all day today. We got a lot of stuff. I'm going to be looking out for you guys. I'm going to be looking at the computers all day today. So why shouldn't I give you guys the ability to do that as well? I'm going to be streaming what happened today. We had a little bit of a dip in Bitcoin. Bitcoin dipped very, very fast. There's a lot of reason that I believe that this has to do with Ethereum. These institutional investors are getting a little skittish. They're getting a little scared with their current stance on Bitcoin. You guys see Bitcoin being outperformed 34% today by Ethereum, or this week by Ethereum, and you're going to continue to see this trend, especially during this altcoin season. These institutional investors don't really know what this cycle does, and I feel like a lot of them are somewhat figuring out what this cycle is doing, and we're going to see a lot of sell-offs with Bitcoin. A lot of people wanting to get into these altcoins right now, especially the institutions, guys. They want to be making money. They do not want to be negative, all right? And we're going to get into that deeper, all right? We're going to get deeper into that, but I want to go over our picks. What did we talk about just an hour or so ago? What did we talk about, guys? And what we talked about was a few picks. We said Chainlink, all right? Chainlink is probably the only coin that we have right now that's actually making profits for us. But we bought Chainlink last night. We bought Chainlink, some more Chainlink this morning. And guys, Chainlink is going to be a coin you need to hold on to until you die. All right, we are holding Chainlink till we die, and that's a fact. Let's go over some coins that are gaining today as well. Then we'll go over into some more buys. But I really want you guys to maybe take another around 10% out of your Ethereum, I would say. I took out 15%. I only have around 35% stable coins left right now. We took out 50% of our Ethereum last night, and then this morning we took, so last night we took out 20%. This morning we took out another 30%. And now I took out another 10 to 15%. You guys will have 30 to 40% left, and that'll ensure us if we have another dip, things will be able to be bought. But I see this could be the bottom of the dip, and there's still going to be things gaining right now. It's just we might have been a little bit too early, but that's why we still keep 50% of Ethereum, and we kind of had a feeling that would happen. So Let's get into the market, guys. Let's get into the market. What do we see happening? We see Bitcoin. Bitcoin took this dip, guys. Took this dip. I think I have it right here. Yeah, look at this candle, guys. Look at this candle that we saw with Bitcoin. Absolutely monster downward candle. And I really, really want you guys to realize the support levels that are holding for Bitcoin right now. We predicted this one exactly, but it might not hold it. But if it does, that'd be very nice. We saw a major support. This was 3 or 4 days ago. We saw major support after it bounced up off of this 53 zone. And guys, look how accurate that was. Literally bounced exactly off of what we had. That's a great thing to see. And that's what doing charts a lot will get you guys. We'll be able to get some great predictions on it. Okay, so we need to be able to predict what's going to be happening right now. And what I see happening right now is all this money that came out of Bitcoin right now, all this money that's being torn out of Bitcoin is going into either fiat or into Ethereum. And if not, it's going to be going into Chainlink and some other very, very bullish alts. I do see this trend continuing. There's a lot of money right now that is in Tether, that's in the stable coins, as you could say. And we're gonna see this push up in the market sooner or later. But we might see some people taking profits. They're still in profit right now. A lot of people are up in Ethereum. They're still holding right now, but I do see maybe a little bit more consolidation. We have seen consolidation, guys. A lot of people were taking profits with Ethereum, but I do see those profits are going to be moving into these alts like we talked about. But let's get into some better news as well. Where is this? Guys, look at on days like dips like this, we're going to be going over multiple things that you guys want to look out for. All right, what's bullish today? What did good during a day like today? Anything that's up in percentage today is strong. Investors have faith in it. And my opinion, guys, with ERSDL, we've been talking about them for quite a while. I really do get a lot of questions. When should I buy ERSDL? Well, I do believe now is a great time to buy them, even when they're up, guys. Dollar cost average into them, but you have to understand the price you get for staking, and you get more with staking them, right? But it is literally going to be no risk. The amount of partners that they have, is going to be absolutely insane. 3 weeks after their SSS comes out as well, APY will dip. Weak hands will move their coins out, and correction will happen in around 3 weeks with ERSDL. But what happens after the 1 to 2 listings get announced and we have another huge bounce, okay? Because this does not have much listings on exchanges. Wait for ERSDL to get some exchanges. They have great customers already. Having customers in crypto is like having actual gold. They have money coming in, and they have a lot of room to grow. All right, I do see them reaching around 10 billion to 20 billion to 40 to 100 billion long term. I really do see $10 to $15 ERSDL happening, guys. Look how strong this is. Up 10% today. Up 10% today. It's beautiful, guys. Yeah, and we got to talk about Dogecoin as well. We see Dogecoin 73 billion market cap, guys. 73 billion market cap. I have no words to express about that. I'm not mad about it. It's just showing us the psychology of a lot of these investors that haven't really gotten into the other cryptos, right? A lot of people are just using Robinhood to buy Dogecoin, and I do see Dogecoin as being top 10 inevitably forever, especially with the current state of how people really react to these types of meme coins. And yeah, I do see maybe a sell-off coming. $100 billion Dogecoin top 3 would be insane. A lot of people are talking about Dogecoin being able to stay in the top 3 forever. I mean, that honestly, it could happen, but at the same time, I really would enjoy not top 3 forever, but top 3 in the next week. I did not mean to say that. BNB will obviously outperform them, but I do see a lot of these coins outperforming them. But at the moment in time, where we are in the market, there's not too many coins that are going to be running up 37%, growing 20-30 billion in a day. I do see Doge maybe hitting top 3, but I do see a little sell-off probably happening in a week or so. I'm not leverage trading it anymore. I'm just not going to look at it. I'm putting my Doge leverage trade profits into other strong currencies. Always suggest you guys to do that, all right? We really have to be doing that. And if you guys are doing that, just saying. Ethereum is only up 0.78%. They have been dropping. A lot of people are taking profits. In my opinion, we might see a negative Ethereum today. All right, we might see that. A lot of institutions have FOMO'd into Ethereum. Look what's still up today, guys. We picked Litecoin, we picked Chainlink for some buys, right? We see both of those still positive today. What does that show? That shows a lot of confidence in investors, all right? People are still investing into it when we have Bitcoin go down $4,000 or $5,000 in the matter of 30 minutes. And we see people still confident in Litecoin and Chainlink. And yeah, Solana's down a lot. I definitely am going to be putting some more onto my trade for Solana. VeChain is under 20 cents. Who would have thought this? They just had some patent news come out as well. VeChain's going to be over $1 sooner or later. We're going to see them. We're going to see VeChain here for a while, and that's without a doubt, guys. Definitely going to be seeing that. But look how bloody this market is, guys. Look how bloody this market is. But we do have RuneChain as well. We have a trade in RuneChain, and they're still positive today. That's good to see. Waves is even still up today. But for the most part, we see a lot of red in the market, right? We see a lot of red in the market. You want to know what? We're not invested into most of this red, all right? We're not invested into most of this red. We do have FTM. That will be green soon, guys. That will be green, trust me. And that's a great thing to know, guys. We got confident things, and our portfolios are really looking clean right now with our high caps. And we love to see it. We love to be able to invest into these companies that all these investors have faith in. They're still throwing money into it. Ethereum Classic, guys, up 27% today. I always advise people to, at least if you're going to be holding some Ethereum, you're definitely going to want to hold some Ethereum Classic. Anytime Ethereum runs up, it normally does, well, right now it's doing 27x better than what Ethereum is, more than that, around 40x better than what Ethereum is doing in the last 24 hours. But I do see Ethereum Classic always 2xing to 3xing what Ethereum pulls off in a day. Does that mean throw all of your money into Ethereum Classic if you have Ethereum? Possibly. I do probably a 40-60. I keep 60 into large ETH and then put some into Ethereum Classic. They're solving a lot of security and scalability problems with Ethereum, by the way. That's a very good thing for you guys to understand. But also, we're going to be going over one thing that I thought was very, very big, right? So we have to like and subscribe. All right, you guys have to hit that like button and subscribe. We've been up We've been ready. We've been up all night, and we're really following the market really closely right now. We're trying to really see where everything's going, and we do have positions ready to go, and we still have around 35 to 40% in stable coins ready for a lower drop down. And we're ready, guys. We're ready to make these profits, and we have been. We're still making profits on a few of them even today, right? And S&P launches Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto mega cap in indices. This is very big, guys. A lot of people, you guys got to understand this. This gives the ability for these boomers who don't know how to work DEXs, they don't know how to work Voyager or BNB, whatever you want to say. They don't know how to work it, and they're just going to be able to buy this through the market, and that's going to be very, very big. You guys have to understand that this is going to bring billions and billions and billions of dollars of these retail investors. Some of these institutional investors do have the ability to pay to have someone buy through a DEX, and they just tell them what to buy, yada yada. But this one is definitely going to be something that's going to be very big, guys. I do see a lot of people switching to Ethereum, guys. I do see that. I might be called crazy by some folks, but I do see Ethereum taking over Bitcoin in market cap eventually, guys. Eventually. I'm not sure if it's going to be a year from now or 2 or 3, but the use case for Ethereum, the deflationary part of Ethereum is too much not to talk about, guys. Too much not to talk about. And we have to actually take that into consideration. I do think that there's a very, very high possibility we will see that within the next year or 2. And look at this pullback we had. We had a lot of buy action once we hit the low 53. I believe we almost hit 52 on Bitcoin. It was around 53,500, but we are consolidating a little bit more, but we are down 6%, guys. We are down 6% on Bitcoin. This is a great time to buy, okay? This is a great time to put that 10%, that 15% that we had in Ethereum, sell that, buy some of these coins. We're gonna go through some more coins. We did this earlier, but you know what? There's even more coins to buy as of right now, and there's better opportunities. You guys can just add on to your positions, and it's gonna look good, right? Here, let me pull this up. All right, so what we're looking at right now is we really want to see the breakout for exactly Solana. We want to see Solana's breakout coming, and it's been trailing downwards versus Ethereum. Let me pull up the other one. We'll do USDT. You guys could trade both. I would really advise you guys to trade both. But we did see a little pullback, and we are getting a little bit of a red candle here. But I really do see Solana, guys. Seriously, their ecosystem with their smart contract capabilities, they're going to be $60 before you know it, and that's a very easy 50% trade right there. We've been buying Solana. We've been buying Solana the past few weeks. We're up a lot on Solana, and it still has room to run, guys. Extremely undervalued. All right, extremely undervalued. If we don't see a $60 Solana next week, that's probably going to be due to a dip happening in the market. All right, if the market's trending upwards, which I do see it consolidating, maybe we'll see another 2K drop from there. I don't see Bitcoin going below 52K, but we'll have to see, especially with what Ethereum has been doing. Right, a lot of variables in the market right now. We bought ADA versus ETH. ADA's even down, guys. We got ADA down. Let's see how much ADA's down. ADA's down 5% today, right? ADA is looking like it's going to break out. ADA is very bullish right now. We do see the ADA breakout happening any day now. And this is due to the fact of, look how low this RSI is, guys. Look how low this RSI is. And when you guys see the trend of how ADA really moves against ETH, Ethereum's going to be having this network effect, meaning that their network is connected to these altcoins. When Ethereum gets to a price, these altcoins are bound to push up in price. And right now we're seeing Ethereum push up in price, and we're seeing these altcoins almost hit all-time lows on their RSI and their ADA to ETH, whatever you want to call that, their perpetual comparison. And when we look at it like that, guys, we know a breakout is coming. It's going to happen. It's just a matter of time. And we do see a large ADA breakout. And we do see probably 100% at least from that breakout. And that's an even better time to buy some more right now. I'll look at Cake. Guys, I have not looked at Cake. All right. I'll look at some Cake. I haven't looked at Oh, Cake's at 38. That's a great buy zone, guys. I do have a Cake graph up. I'm really mainly looking for these L2 platforms, these layer 2 platforms in Ethereum, right? We want to be invested into companies that are solely based through Ethereum's layer 2. And why do we want to do that? Because Ethereum's layer 2 is going to be the fastest growing thing, well, especially the DeFi and layer 2 as well. We'll get into that later in the stream. But DeFi and just the layer 2 of Ethereum overall, it's going to have at least a 10x within just the matter of months. And why do I believe this? Because Ethereum has so much transactions, they have so much growth. Ethereum's growth over the past 2 months really supports this thesis. Okay, altcoin season is going to be centered around Ethereum, like it was last year, and we're going to see these alts switch over to or these Bitcoin's going to have these this money switch over to alts, and we have already been seeing that, and that's why we're really bullish on that. We've been looking at the charts for quite a while, but let's get into Cake. Okay, let's get into Cake. I want to look at Cake's chart because we do have a few outstanding trades on Cake. We did hit a few price targets on Cake. All right, so we are re-hitting the buy zone. We have another buy zone around 36. All right, so hopefully you guys got some there. If it dips back into 36, you guys should buy some more. But we're looking to sell some around 40, 45, and 50. And we got a nice buy on them, guys. We got them around 25 to 27, right? Very good buy zone. We hit another buy zone here. We saw the uptrend that we predicted, you know, and we ended up getting around the 40. We hit our first buy zone. We sold around 30%, and right now we're just waiting for another leg up. I would really recommend buying some more once it hits this zone, guys. We're gonna see Cake pull off at least a 2x in the short term. They're looking very low with a breakout coming in the near future. A lot of these are looking like there's going to be a breakout in the near future. Just saying, guys, we got a lot of trades that are going to be cashing out very soon. Yeah, Link is going off. Link is going off. Let's go check the Link graph, guys. Let's go check Link out. No, that's not Link. Where's Link at? Yeah, we did buy Link last night, and we bought some more Link earlier today, guys. We bought some more Link earlier today. This is messed up. Yeah, I mean, buying Link at any time, in my opinion, in the next future. Link is one of those things that you guys are going to want to hold till you're dead. Okay, we really want to hold Link for quite a while. We are going to be switching in and out of these cryptos that are going to push. Like I said, all this altcoin season, all this crypto is about is being able to predict the market, guys. We're just trying to predict the market. We're just trying to figure out what is next, right? What is next? And how can we get into the most successful coins at the time? So we're up around 36% on Link from this one trade. This is through Link to BTC. I do see us switching over to Link to ETH in the short term. But let me pull up the Link to ETH. All right, this one's a little bit messed up. Not Binance. Whoops. We'll use it anyways. But you guys could see the You guys can see how low we are, right? We see how low we are with Link. We had a little bit of push up today. We're going to be doing Link versus ETH perpetual market on this one. And I really do see Link pulling off around 300 to 200%. We talked about this in my other stream that I had an hour or two ago. We bought some more then. We bought some more last night. And we're just going to continue to buy some more Link, especially with the 80% run up that we're probably going to see this week, and then the long term around 200 to 300% run up. Very undervalued. All this data is going to be going through Link, guys. They're going to have so much data, especially being in the Ethereum layer 2 network. That is just the beginning for Link, guys. We're really going to see Link long-term survivor for Link. They're going to be thriving. Okay, they're going to be thriving. Yeah, I'll look at Luna. Luna is a very great long-term hold. This one is down a little bit today, considerable amount. Hit our buy zone again. It did start to break out, but it did hit our buy zone again. So I'm definitely had a buy order in on Luna. If not, I need to check that actually. But I will definitely hold on to Luna for the next 4 or 5 months. And I am going to be taking profits with Luna just because The volatility is not too bad with Luna. It's just more of a slow gaining, quicker type of crypto. And with altcoin season and with these fast gaining cryptos, I do see Luna, yes, taking off at some point, but it's not. It's being based off of a stable coin, especially like Luna is. You guys might see a 50% run up in a week or a 25% run up in a week, but it's not going to be able to produce really the 100 or 200% run ups in a week like we've seen with some cryptos that we've gotten into. And I'm talking about high caps as well. Yes, high caps do have the ability to go up 100, 200% in a week, and we've been getting a lot of them. Especially Matic. Matic hit the buy zone, guys. Matic hit the buy zone. And we bought some more Matic. We bought some more very, very early, and we ended up taking some profits right before. It got to around 85 cents. And then look at, guys, it hit our buy zone perfectly. Let's buy some more Matic. Layer 2, another one that we're going to be holding for life, guys. We're going to be holding this one for life. With Matic, guys, with Matic, my main strategy is to acquire as much layer 2s, Ethereum-based solutions that we can see short-term and long-term gains on. I'm going to be selling them short-term, but I'm definitely going to keep some profits in there long-term, probably around 30%, just to try and keep up with the cycle in the market and try and be as accurate as possible. That's my main goal with Matic and with all these other Ethereum layer 2, because we're going to see, like I said, we're going to see Ethereum absolutely dominate Bitcoin in performance, guys. Let's go to the BTCD, see how Bitcoin's been performing due to altcoins. We see this dropping even lower today, guys. We're around 40, 46, 47. That's absolutely insane, guys. Look at this rundown for Bitcoin dominance. We haven't seen this in years, guys. We haven't seen this in years. This is the fastest, the quickest drop we've ever seen in Bitcoin dominance. And this has to do with this institutional money is getting a little bit smarter, guys. They realize that there's a lot more use case, there's a lot more gains in these other altcoins. And now they're actually figuring out the worth of these altcoins, like I said. I am very bullish on band. Yes, we do have a band trade in. Yeah, we have a band trade in, guys. You guys thought I forgot about it? No. Here we go. Look at this, guys. Holy. Oh my gosh. We bought all the way back in here. Here, let me pull this up. How much is this? Holy gosh. I did not. No, that's 10%, but look at that, guys. Look at those candles. We did ban Bitcoin. I'm trying to find the other ban trade. When we bought this one, we probably, yeah. Let me find the other one. Sorry about this, guys. Where is ban? Might not have it, but yeah, very, very bullish on bans. We do own some band. All right. So we've been buying band as well. We thought we were going to see a breakout here, and that's why we had it on BTC as well, just to ensure that. But what you guys really want to do is probably buy some more band, guys, especially if it dips back down to these lower levels. This is going to break out eventually. We're going to see this money transfer over into these band market cap projects within the next few weeks, especially after these high caps start pumping. That's why mostly all my trades that I share on this channel are all high caps, just so that we have the ability to make these gains and then get some of these mid caps and small caps in there as well. But the main thing for us right now is predicting the market cycle. What's going to be happening next? And right now, what it looks like is money is going to be flooding into these alts. We see it happening already. All right, so let me go back to crypto quant. All right, so we're on crypto quant right now. And what I'm gonna show you guys is really here. Let me log into this. What I'm gonna show you guys with crypto quant is the amount of money institutions are pouring into Ethereum. Right, it's absolutely crazy, guys. It's insane, absolutely insane. We've been looking at this, guys. Look at the inflow. Look at the inflow of ETH, guys. Look at this. Look at the inflow of ETH. Look at this pattern that we're seeing. It looks like True. You guys remember True? TrueBit, this is what it looks like. I mean, I'm still bullish on TrueBit, guys. You guys know. But I do see this probably stopping a little bit, maybe breathing a little bit today, tomorrow. But I do see this continuing back up. Maybe they'll have a little bit of sell-off, go into alts. That's really what we think, guys. We're just trying to outperform Ethereum and try and get as much Ethereum as we can in our portfolios. That's the main goal right now. We will get into Bitcoin later, but right now, Ethereum is too good for us to think about Bitcoin in the long-term perspective. We're not completely sure how Ethereum is going to perform against Bitcoin in the next 2 or 3 years, but I think it's going to massively outperform Bitcoin. We want to be holding these safe investments, right? The Bitcoin, Chainlink, Matic, Solana, DOT. We want to hold ADA maybe, just for short-term games, ADA. We want to hold Ethereum, Bitcoin, right? But we want to figure out what's going to give us the most amount of gains short-term. And you could predict this with the market cycles that we're currently in, right? And we want to probably hold Ethereum because Ethereum's really looking like it's going to outperform Bitcoin for the next 5 or 10 years. Especially right now, institutions are FOMOing into Bitcoin, guys. We're up over 60% on our Bitcoin or on our Ethereum in the past like 2 weeks. It's absolutely crazy, guys. A lot of institutional activity coming on with Ethereum. So what does this mean? This means that institutions, right? They're finally realizing, like I said, that Ethereum is going to be a lot better performing than Bitcoin, or else they wouldn't be FOMOing into it so much if they didn't believe that. And why do you see Chainlink up? By the way, it's because it's layer 2 solution implemented into Ethereum, guys. So that's one of the big reasons why we're seeing Chainlink up. They're going to be processing a lot of data for Ethereum. So we're going to see Chainlink run up even more, guys. We're going to see Chainlink run up even more. Look how it's following Ethereum, guys. Look at that. 26% in the past 7 days, 26% in the past 7 days for Chainlink. But it is an altcoin, and I do see it probably doing a 3x of what exactly Ethereum did. So if that gives you a perspective, that's normally what happens, okay? Just based off of past analytics, it'll at least 3x what it's done in the past 7 days. So that's at least around a 78% run up in the past 7 days that we're probably going to see for Chainlink. It's a very good sign, guys. That's a very, very good sign. And I do think Chainlink's a lot more undervalued than that, but there's a lot of data that points to that, just saying. So what else do we need to cover, guys? I'm going to be probably doing how do I determine sell zones? All right, so when you guys are in trades, you need to be looking for the support level. What's the support level, and what's causing it to break out of the support level, right? When we look at Matic, we see a very, very high support level around 85 cents, right? It could not break over 85 cents. This was back here in April. We noticed that the 85 cents was very, very hard for it to break. And what we did is we sold before 85 cents, and we sold in multiple increments just to make sure that we hit a decent price target, and we hit right over 85 cents because that's the hard support for it to break over. And we end up trying to sell whenever it hits over that, especially when something pumps up. It really matters about hype, attention, and multiple other factors. But yes, always sell around 3 or 4 increments at a time. Would you like to have your opinion about Yield App? Thanks for all. Would you like to have an opinion about Yield App? I'm probably not, honestly. Let me go over Yield App actually. Go over Yield. Is this? No, this is not it. All right. It's probably very, very small market cap. I'm probably not going to be going over it. I'm trying to really focus and help the mass majority of the people that are watching this. Oh, ZIL. I am very bullish on ZIL, guys. ZIL is due for a massive breakout against Ethereum. This is probably another trade that I'm very hesitant on. Here, let me pull up my trading view. But I'm very, very hesitant on ZIL until earlier this morning. Probably like 8 or 9 hours ago, I put in a trade. But let me see how it's doing right now. Yeah, I would really recommend you guys to look into ZIL. We have bought them and sold them before already, but I really want to be able to get some. Here we go. I'm gonna pull up that. Really want to give you guys a perspective on ZIL and how undervalued it is right now. Here we go. So if we're looking at the ROI, right? The RSI, not the return on investment. Look how low the RSI is. Look at this all-time low that we're hitting for ZIL. This is versus Ethereum. I do see ZIL smashing, absolutely smashing all-time highs, guys. And this is only due to the fact of, guys, we haven't had this low of RSI. Look at every time we've dipped with their RSI. What has it done? Every time the RSI's hit the bottom, yes, we had a little bit more of a dip here, but look at this smash effect that we've had whenever this happens. And I do see Ethereum's at a different stage right now, but yet again, it's going to slow down a little bit, and these alts are going to catch up. This is altcoin season. This is what happens, guys. Happened in 2017. And where do I see these sell levels at? All right, so I'm going to show you guys where the sell levels are going to be at. So we have a support level right around this 10 mark, right? And that's going to be a sell zone for you guys on this trade. But watch this. That's already 100% or 90% gains right there. I don't see it really pushing around above 150%. So I'm going to put a sell zone around 94%, and then another one around 120 probably, just to play it safe. I don't want to go above this support level that I see right here. You guys see that one right there. This is going to be hard for it to break. It did not stay above that support for very long. And if it does break out, that's good. I mean, sometimes that happens, but definitely trying to get these quick gains on these trades. All right, these trades we're trying to get as much profits as we can very, very quickly, right? And the way you do that is you set your price targets in a reasonable amount. Okay, you guys do not want to be chasing money. Chasing money meaning you guys have unreasonable amount of price targets. You guys are trying to get these 300%, 400% gains. And what if the market dips? The chances are the market's going to dip, right? Let's say 1 week the market's up 100%, you're up 100%. Next week you could be up only 20 or 30%. Happens all the time, guys. And you really can't be chasing money. You guys have to take your profits when you get them. You guys have to take your profits when you get them. I always stress that, and that's how you really become the most successful you can in trading in crypto. There's a lot of people that will be chasing profits. You guys will not be. I made you guys better than that, so we will have an edge on those types of people. And everyone learns too. Everyone learns as well. So we're seeing a 70 and 120%. That was just a quick TA. I believe that's where my price targets are. I might buy again, honestly, just because of my faith with ZIL. Very, very bullish on ZIL, guys. This is going to be another easy 60-70% gainer, especially within the next week. 60 to 70% in a week, guys. This is why we keep Ethereum in our portfolio like stable coins. All right. When the market drops, we're not going to see ETH rise 60 to 70% in 1 week, but we're going to catch these other coins that are, and then we're going to be able to throw those back into ETH, which is going to be bullish. Then ensuring our strategy and ensuring our portfolio safety. So it's a very, very good strategy that we're doing, guys. We've been very successful with it, and we're going to keep on doing it. Yeah, what is Doge doing at number 4, guys? Can we just let's look into Doge real quick, guys. I will never probably do this too much, but guys, look at this. Look at this, right? We're seeing 38 billion volatility. Imagine if this $71 billion was equally dispersed throughout crypto. There's a lot of companies that really need $70 billion, and I don't see Doge really dropping though, guys. To be frankly honest, Doge is going to be over 50 billion market cap forever. There's a lot of people that have stuck money in there through Robinhood, and they're wanting a 2 to 3x. It's just psychology of some of these people. They don't understand market cap and all of that. They're just like, Doge is going to $1. But we'll need to see, guys. Doge is very misunderstood by a lot of people. They think it's going to get shorted very quick, but it's not, guys. It's not. So why don't you hype up BTC? I'm more bullish on Ethereum. I do hype up Bitcoin. I always say we always are trying to get as much Bitcoin as possible. But you want to know what it is now? We're trying to get as much Ethereum as possible. I was saying that, but I was like, we're only trying to get Ethereum short term. And right now, I'm kind of switching to Ethereum long term, guys. With the IEP 1559, Ethereum is going to be burning tokens every time someone uses their network. They're going to be going up in price only, especially with this effect that they're having. And they're also going to have this layer 2 implementation. They're going to be they're going to be the largest, the strongest network, right, in crypto. And that's why I'm not hyping up Bitcoin, because I would rather hype up Ethereum, right? A lot of people trade Bitcoin. A lot of people leverage trade Bitcoin. I do, but I've been leverage trading Ethereum solely based off of these events coming out. And I really do see, I pay attention to Ethereum very, very closely, analytically, and Bitcoin. Ethereum's analytics, guys, it's insane. The amount of institutional FOMO that's going into it, it's just the beginning, too. That's the truth, all right? That's the truth. We really could see a 5-6K ETH by the end of this month, maybe 7K, but that's a little it's a little generous, a little far fetched. Okay, you understand, guys? You guys got to understand that you should probably wait to buy Ethereum right now, though. If anyone's trying to like, oh, I need to buy Ethereum right now, just wait a little bit, okay? Just wait for a little bit more consolidation, and then I would say go. All right, I would say go for it. But next, if you guys are going to be holding long term, yes, do that. But yet again, we're going to see a large push up in Ethereum over the next couple weeks. We've been planning for this. We predicted this. We had a very, very good feeling it was going to happen, especially with the IEP 1559 and layer 2. Not more to be said about Ethereum except for get your bags ready, guys. I mean, I'm probably going to go deep into Ethereum on the stream, guys. You guys really need to be paying attention to these layer 2 companies, right? We've seen DeFi pull off 100x in the past 12 months. The past 12 months, decentralized finance pulled off 100x, right? Just the broad index fund of that. And what you guys have to understand is DeFi is just getting started, and Ethereum owns over 65% of all these DeFi projects, right? They have their tentacles or whatever. They have their platform in 65% of these DeFi projects, right? And that is going to be absolutely huge. If we're going to see another 100x with DeFi, Ethereum's probably going to go up another at least 20-30x. Make sure to like and subscribe as well. Really appreciate that. But yeah, we're trying to get to 30K subs today. That'd be cool, guys. But we're really going to see that network effect really hit hard with Ethereum, guys. That network effect of Ethereum investing or having their, not investing, but having their network in 65% of these companies that pulled off 100x last year. And what's to stop DeFi from pulling off another 100x? What's to stop DeFi from pulling off 1,000x? And it's just time, guys. It's just time. The only variable in crypto right now is just time. And if you guys have time, if you guys have ability to be patient, you will be successful, all right? And you have the ability to put in the time as well. Just trying to help you guys out on that. So Bitcoin is bouncing back up a little bit, but the RSI is still really low on Bitcoin. We could see another drop. Like I said, it really has some good support right where we predicted, around 52, 53. Actually right around 53.20 or 53.24. Let me check the Discord, see if you guys posted any news that I need to look over. We really want to be looking forward to where exactly our trades are headed. And right now, the main reason for the Bitcoin dip, there was a couple of exchanges. Let's go through Bitcoin exchange flows. I believe it was one exchange in specific, but I don't believe this has to do really too much with these miners selling off. There was a lot of miners that are selling off their Bitcoin, but what I do see is happening is a lot of these people are just selling off their Bitcoin, buying into Ethereum. They're aping into Ethereum, and we are going to see them ape into a multitude of alts. I do still think that we'll see a 70 or 80K Bitcoin, but with the way the market has reacted, guys, you might think I'm crazy, but this is just common like economics. I don't see Bitcoin maybe ever hitting 100K in the next 2 to 3 months. It might take a while, right? Could be wrong, but the way the market has been reacting with Ethereum, the way Ethereum is being treated in the market, I'm not completely sure on that, guys. I'm not completely sure. If you guys really understand the true nature of Bitcoin, maybe 100K is a little far-fetched for 2 to 3 months. I do see 70K, I do see 80K, but I'm not completely sure about that, guys. Because it has to go over 2 trillion market cap, right? And we're gonna need to see, I bet we're gonna see Ethereum over 1 trillion market cap sooner or later. And not too much money is gonna be going into Bitcoin. I feel like Bitcoin's gonna be why would you invest in Bitcoin when there's a coin that has so much more use case, so much more network effect, so much more room for growth? It's just beyond me, you know? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You guys think I'm crazy? You guys think I'm crazy? Let me know. Tried getting into Ethereum, but my last transaction got canceled. Oh, that's bad. Super. Yeah, Super is pumping today. Super Farm NFT company. Let's go check out what the NFTs are doing. They were up a lot. Oh, they're down now. I thought they were up today. Yeah, look how they responded to this little dip, guys. Oof. Not too well, not too well. But yeah, NFTs, we're gonna need to see about them. I do see the hype going up with NFTs. We've seen the social activities go up with NFTs, but at the same time, you guys need to be careful with these NFTs. Not a lot of them have too much use case or too much network effect like Ethereum does right now. They will in a few years. I was invested into NFTs 2019, 2020. I was invested in NFTs, sold off. Like a few months ago, I sold off all my NFTs a month or two ago, sold them all off. I didn't want any more in my portfolio. I wanted DeFi. I had DeFi 2019, 2020, wanted even more DeFi, guys. I see faith in DeFi more than NFTs. Yes, NFTs will be implemented, but DeFi, guys. Let me go full screen and we're gonna talk about this DeFi revolution, all right? You guys have to be educated in crypto if you guys really wanna see these gains, all right? So the thing with DeFi is let me get some music playing. All right. So the thing with DeFi is we've 100x'd the entire market cap of DeFi since last year. And when you're thinking about DeFi and you're thinking about the entire finance system as a whole, you really have to take into consideration that never since the internet have we seen really a 100x system within a year. And this is gonna happen to crypto. But crypto is not just taking the finance industry into the internet, right? That's what the internet did. They said, hey, finance, you're online, all right, and multiple other things. But what crypto is doing is it's taking this entire macro economy, and they're just shoving it into crypto. And we're gonna see 1,000x with DeFi projects. We're gonna see easy 1,000x's within the next 5 to 10 years. And short term, we're probably gonna see another 100x next year. I would say maybe a 50x, but we're gonna have consistent gains, consistent growth as everything becomes more adopted. And I really want you guys to understand how important these DeFi projects are. All right. So there we go. And yeah, I mean, I just want to educate you guys, really understand how the market's affecting, right? We have never seen this, guys. We don't see this ever. We don't see Bitcoin down 6% and Ethereum up. That's altcoin season for you guys. We're gonna do a little review on altcoin season. I believe I have the photo here somewhere. Here we go. All right. So remember this, guys. You guys won't see this photo probably again till next year after this altcoin season ends. Where are we at right now, guys? Let's do a little path of the altcoin season. So what we're seeing is the phase 2 right now. We're seeing Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, and we hear talks of Ethereum flipping Bitcoin. Guys, I'm talking about it. I even believe in it. Okay, it could be hopium, but at the same time, guys, I do see Ethereum's use case has 10x'd, has 5x'd in the past year. All right, one year ago, ever really since they started doing layer 2 and then the IEP 1559, their use case has literally 5x'd. And that gives it the ability, in my opinion, to outperform Bitcoin. And a lot of people might think I'm crazy, but you guys really have to understand that, right? You guys really have to understand that. But right now we're in the Ethereum phase, right? We're in the Ethereum phase. Ethereum's outperforming Bitcoin. And then now we're going to see these sell-offs in Ethereum, and we're going to see the money flow to these large caps that we've been buying. Chainlink, Solana. Let's go through some more. Chainlink, Solana. Let me show you guys the exact trades, just because if you're not here. ADA, Chainlink, Solana, ADA. Where are they? Zilliqa, Dot, Matic, Theta. Well, Theta's just short term, guys. Cake. What else are we buying? Did do KuCoin, but those are the ones that I rebought in today. Just saying that. I'm not gonna go over the past ones. You guys are already into those. They will be profitable. Just a matter of time. So what am I really trying to get into, guys? We are in the phase where this money is going to be going into these large caps. We've seen this happen. This is something that happens, guys, and you really have to pay attention to past trends, especially when you're trying to make as much money out of crypto. All right, so want me to go over HTR, guys? HTR. We'll go over HDR. HDR is completely undervalued. Completely undervalued. We're going to see a 40x with this, a 30x at least. Let me go to my profile on Twitter. I just tweeted something or retweeted something out about HDR. All right. So, with HDR, this literally looks like Solana. All right. So we're gonna pull up HDR. Hold up. So you guys are seeing this graph right here. HDR has some of the absolute best use case for these smart contract transaction companies, guys, right? Smart contracts are going to pop off. Oracles are going to pop off. Anything I would say DeFi as well, that kind of, all of those are going to interoperate with each other. DeFi is going to pop off. Oracles and DEXs as well are going to be doing very good. And all of these things are going to correlate with each other, and especially smart contracts, because that's the main point for you guys to understand is all 3 or 4 of those things. You guys got to understand they interoperate with each other. It's a whole system set up with them. All right, so let me get into HDR. I'm trying to find it, but look at Solana's graph, and then we're going to compare it to HDR. Yeah, HDR could really pull off, guys. It really could pull off a 30 or 40x at least. Their smart contracts, their transaction time is insane, guys. It's absolutely insane. The only thing holding them back right now is exchange listings. Exchange listings and hype. They don't have both. They do not have both, right? We hit our buy zone on them. We bought them around 115. They're showing a lot of support around 118. But they're at 127 right now. So we are a little bit up on this trade, guys, but this is a long-term hold for me. I'm not selling my HDR. I'm really just acquiring more, waiting for their exchange listing to come out. I do see this absolutely taking off, guys. Let me compare them to a few other two other big exchanges. Let me see HDR. Compared to some other exchanges, guys, you have to understand HDR is insanely undervalued. Their use case is it's absolutely phenomenal, guys. They have a lot of stuff coming out in the future too, but they run under their own network as well. It's nothing forked. They're not really they're their own type of platform. Hold up. Decentralized scalability. All right. So this is honestly a good thing to think about, right? They have a better network than, I would say, these top 3, for sure. Tron as well. Honestly, they are probably the same amount as Tron. They just need a better listing to be able to get these buyers, guys. I do see a 30x easily with them. Let me get to the stats. I'm trying to find the stats for you guys. Trying to find the stats. If I can't find the stats, just let you guys know their transaction speed is something that's unheard of. Their transaction price is extremely low. Their smart contracts are very good. They can hold a lot of transactions per second. Very bullish on HDR, guys. Very bullish on HDR, as you can tell. That's going to be a 30x eventually. All right, so Bitcoin is consolidating back upwards. I'm probably going to I thought Bitcoin was going to continue to drop down. I'm probably going to be making a few videos today as well. I'll make a video today, and then we'll do another stream tonight. But I'm probably going to be ending the stream here, because we really are covered everything that we need to go over. And you guys have a little break. We'll do a stream tonight, and we'll be able to get into some more info tonight. But our trades are looking pretty decent right now. Chainlink is. And hope you guys are having a great day. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on post notifications.